It's Greg and I'm here on Adventure Island with Bonnie and Eppie, and we've just been helping the pick-me-ups tidy up all the litter that Smeech had left in the humming tree, and we've tidied it all up. But Bonnie and Eppie are telling me that there's a bit of a problem because they think that we haven't tidied it all up. But I'm going to have a little look around. Bonnie hears, because can you remember Bonnie and Eppie left some litter? So I hope at home you showed them how to tidy up. I'm glad that you did, because these two little dogs need to make sure that we don't leave litter and that we tidy up after we finish playing with toys. But apparently there's some things left, so I'm just going to go and have a quick look. Now what's that, Eppie? Right, okay, it's just around here somewhere. Under some sticks. Under some sticks. Oh, here it is, look. Hey, check that out, Bonnie. Look at this. Bonnie, I know. Check this out, look. Part, whole. Yes. And look, in this part, 1, 2, 3. In this part, 1, 2, 3. I wonder how many altogether. What's 3 plus 3 or double 3? Do you know? Let's see if we can work out. Well, there's 3 here. Look, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 altogether. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Right, we definitely need to put that in the adventure bag, because we mustn't leave that around. Because if we think we've tidied it up, we won't have done if we leave stuff, will we? What's that, Bonnie? Eppie? Oh, there's something over here by the holly bush. Come on, Eppie, come and have a look. Come on, Bonnie, let's see. Oh, there is. Oh my goodness me, there's 2 things. Oh, check it out. Look at this, Bonnie and Eppie. I know, and this too. 2 things. Look at this. Really cool feather. That means Hoddy Dodd must have been near somewhere looking after the birds. But look at this. Oh, some secret messages. Oh, I wonder whether we could read that first word. Look, there's some words on it, isn't there? P-A-N. Pan. Huh? Bonnie, do you see a pan over there? Eppie, do you see a pan? I haven't seen a pan. Let's see what the next word is. Oh, look, these two, when they go together, make the sound. L-U-K. Look. Pan. Look. So maybe we've got to look for a pan somewhere. And what's the last word? Oh, look. These two go together, don't they, to make the E sound. T-R-E. Tree. Pan. Look. Tree. So by the sounds of it, I need to go and look for a pan in a tree. I'll try this one over here, right next to the holly bush. Is there a pan? No. What about this one? Bonnie, have you seen a pan anywhere? No, there's not one there either, is there? A pan. Not one here. So there's only one tree left over here. Oh my goodness! Look at this, Bonnie and Eppie. Look, a pan. Check it out. Look at this. Yes, a pan. Now I wonder what's inside it. Shall we open it up and see? Let's see. Ready? Oh! Who do those ears belong to, I wonder? Do you recognise them? Whose ears might those be? Do they belong to? That's right, look. The badger rabbit. The badger rabbit was in the pan. What were you doing in there, badger rabbit? You were hiding. Oh, who are you hiding from? Oh, you were hiding from Smeech. Oh, you don't need to worry about Smeech. Smeech won't hurt you. All she does is she just drops litter, doesn't she, Eppie? And we picked it all up now. Yeah, so you can hop out now. Yeah, come on then, hop out. That's it. Oh, well done. Yeah, lovely. Bye. Yeah, bye, badger rabbit. Take care now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, look. She's hopped off and gone. Yes, we rescued her out of the pan. She was worried. So, what we'll do is, I actually think we might follow the badger rabbit that way, and I've got a great idea. I know a badger rabbit song. I reckon tomorrow we might just hear it. Come on, Bonnie and Eppie, let's go. Come on, Eppie, let's go. Come on, Bonnie, this way. Come on.